BSI was founded in 1901 as the Engineering Standards Committee to address the need for standardised industrial practices here in the UK. Today, BSI continues to lead in standards development, certification and conformity assessment that serves industries worldwide. So there was a growing demand from consumers and businesses for reconditioned goods, but there was really a lack of scheme or framework that provided consumers or procurement teams with reassurance that the product had gone through a standardised process before it was being returned to the market. The BSI Kite Mark has traditionally been applied to products that are newly manufactured, but this is a new type of Kite Mark that focuses on the process of reconditioning a product.
BSI has produced the Kite Mark scheme for remanufactured and reconditioned products. So for reconditioned products, it would ensure, give a guarantee if you like to the user, that the product meets a stated condition and meets a certain guarantee of quality and of consistency.
The standard BS 8887-240 defines reconditioning as returning a used product to satisfactory working condition by rebuilding or repairing major components that are close to failure, even if there are no reports or apparent faults.
To achieve the Kite Mark for reconditioning, we must comply with the requirements of BS 8887-240, which is demonstrated through a series of assessments. BSI will assess the processes related to the product specification, ensure that they're suitably documented and that they are being followed. This will be around the inspection of equipment, testing and reworking. Once the system is approved, regular audits take place to ensure that these processes continue to be followed on an ongoing basis.
Reconditioned products will go on to perform its intended role. In the context of BS 8887, refurbishing is considered the same as reconditioning. The reconditioning Kite Mark can support organisations by verifying the process of reconditioning and can assure their customers of best practice.
Second-hand can be as good as new actually in some cases. For reconditioned products, it takes a user, a customer, very close to that. So if we looked at the IT sector, statistics are emerging which are really convincing. So for reconditioned products, so taking an existing laptop, for example, reconditioning and putting it back into use has led to CO2 emissions reductions in the order of a couple of hundreds of kilograms per product. And in terms of water used, and it is a very water-intensive process to produce IT equipment, in the order of 100,000 litres per product of water can be saved. And then in terms of natural materials mined to produce the product in the first place, up to a tonne of virgin materials won't be mined if we can gather, collect, reuse, recondition, etc., and put that back into an existing product and put it back into the marketplace.
Kite Mark certification is not just given out. Companies must demonstrate that their systems and processes are fit for purpose and that they comply with the relevant standards. Iconic have demonstrated through their journey to certification that they have robust systems in place for the reconditioning of IT equipment and are committed to providing quality reconditioned products. BSI would like to wish them a huge congratulations on achieving the Kite Mark.